The Jaybird Run XT. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Run XT True Wireless Earbuds, a new version of the Jaybird Run. These are built for athletes, those that are active, working out, like to run, and do various outdoor activities. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The earbuds come in two colors, Black Flash and Storm Gray. We will be looking at the Storm Gray. The only major difference from the original Jaybird Run is that this version has IPX7 waterproofing. It also has an app for iOS and Android, so you can modify various settings that we will go over shortly. The Run XTs come in a nice packaging. Inside, you get the earbuds and a variety of ear fin sizes and ear tips for proper sizing. It also comes with a micro USB cable for charging and your standard user guide. The case is a small compact size and it's plastic all around. On the top, you have the Jaybird branding. The front has the button to open the lid, and also the LED charge status lights. The back has the micro USB port for charging. Opening the case, you can see the earbuds. Each side has the left and right indicator. It is not held in by magnets. It just sits into place. And here you can see the LED status lights. And just to highlight some specs, it has 4 hours of listening time, and you get 8 additional hours with the case. It takes 2 hours for the earbuds and 3 hours for the case to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 4.1 and it has button controls and also an app available. It's IPX7 sweat and waterproof. You can submerge it up to 1 meter. The earbuds are small in size and made of plastic. The ear indicators are also marked on each side. The right side has the ear fin, ear tip, LED status, and the button. The ear fins provide additional support and it's easy to install. It comes in 4 sizes and they are labeled on the side. Along with the interchangeable ear fins, you can also change out the ear tips. And as you can see here, it's fairly easy to install the ear fin. The left side offers the same features. You have the ear tip, fin, LED status, and button. To access the controls, each earbud has a button on the side, and it takes a small amount of pressure to activate it. For the left side, single press, you can access the voice assistant, Siri or Google. Another single press, you can access the volume down. You can reassign this in the app. Double press will skip track, and a 3-second hold will turn it off. The right earbud controls are as follows. A single press is play, pause, accept, and call. Another single press is volume up, accept, and end call. Double press to skip track, and a 3-second hold to turn it off. The case comes in at 3 by 1.6 by 1.5. The case weighs in at 55 grams and the earbuds come in at about 15 grams. The Run XT has an app and can be accessed by downloading the Jaybird My Sound. Once downloaded, launch and click Setup Buds. On the next screen, select the type of buds and then it will begin to scan for it. Once connected, you will see the dashboard displayed. The dashboard has various sound presets that you can toggle with, from flat, signature, bass, warmth, just to name a few. You can also customize your own settings and save them. So adjusting the lows, mids, highs to your desired preference. There is also a Find My Headphone feature, and you can toggle voice prompts and presets for the button controls for the single press as mentioned earlier. So my final thoughts on the earbuds. And again, everyone has different preferences for sound signatures, so this can be subjective. For comfort, I give it a 4. It was okay, but after a while, I did feel the pressure of the earbuds pushing in my ears. Also, pressing the button for controls has a tendency to push them more into your ears. Quality is a 4. Build and design is pretty good and seems durable. And sound, I give it a 4.5. The lows were very good. You get nice, deep, clean bass. Mids and highs were very clear. Vocals were even and didn't sound washed out. The app is definitely a plus with the available sound presets and customizable settings. It will really enhance the overall listen experience. A couple of things that I would have liked are Bluetooth 5.0 for better range and USB-C for charging instead of the micro. But other than that, these are another option for those that have active lifestyles. It has a compact design and IPX7 for sweat and water resistance. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.